Hey guys, Jack here. Welcome back to another video. It's been quite a while since I've put up my last video, and I know it's kind of, at this point you kind of expect it, all 44 of you. But this time I've actually decided to start doing something with the truck. I'm actually starting to rip out the interior at this point, and so far I've already did a little bit. I took the rear seat out. Took the panel off, back panel, kind of cracked it though, so that's unfortunate. I need to find out how to get this out. I don't really quite know how to do that yet, but I know. And also the truck is a mess, so I get to have fun with that.
You melt the ice behind my stone cold eyes. I turn to ashes, but only just sometimes. Inhale your smoke, but you still act surprised. It's not my fault when we end up capsized. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you. Can you hear a thing? 'Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Some days with you it's paradise, but now you spin me in a web with all your lies. Want you to feel the way I feel inside. I'm reaching out for help, you got me in a riptide. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you. Can you hear a thing? 'Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that hyper lapse of me ripping out the interior. That was actually done in the summer of 2021. I've just got around to working on videos that I've recorded and just haven't uploaded. So far, as of right now, there has been a couple more things done with the truck, but not a whole lot. And there's only a couple videos that I have of things being done with it. A video that I am currently working on that will be uploaded probably within the next couple weeks is a video of me putting together that front bumper, a bumper that I had got from the junkyard at the time, and just replacing the old one that I had because it wasn't exactly straight or even, just due to the accident. That no matter how much heat I've tried applying to it and just getting it perfect, it didn't work. So I just went ahead, went to the junkyard, got a scrap one, just kind of made sure it fit right, and then I pretty much, I guess you could say, restored that front bumper, gave it new parts, including the trim that goes around the front of it. I've used the old front license plate bracket, and I've kind of got that secondary plastic black piece that goes underneath it. It's like they call it a valance, I'm pretty sure. But it's just really just me putting together that old front bumper. But other than that, if you guys enjoyed the video, I'm hoping to put out old projects that I currently have up right now. After that front bumper video, it'll more likely be me introducing my Ford that I bought 2 years ago that I've never really put up. Just a really decent truck all around, and I actually have a video reviewing it, and then I have another video doing an oil change on it. I'm pretty sure those are all one. Like, they were both set at the same time, so I may just mix it together and just make it one video. I also got another video that I gotta get off my camera, which is me doing a brake job for that Ford. Yeah, that's really, honestly, that's all I've recorded for the Ford itself, but I'll put those out as well. The Chevy, as of right now, has no interior. I haven't really done a whole lot. It's pretty much sat without an interior for the last year and a half. I've done some suspension work in the rear, and I took off the rear bumper, and it really just some odds and ends that I'm working on. But I'm hoping to put out more videos here soon. I have a bunch of interior pieces on standby, ready to order, just waiting for a good paycheck to get those ordered. But other than that, if you guys enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and definitely see you guys in the next video.